Hello everyone. Today we'll look at how to get started drawing a hand from the side. As it turns out, the hand from this angle can be particularly versatile and useful, as you will find out later in this video, so make sure to stick around until the end. To get things going, let's introduce one of the main building blocks we'll be using. It's kind of like a triangle with a beer belly as one of its sides. Looks like a fat triangle, doesn't it? Let's call it a triangle. So, there's the forearm, and here is the wrist, which will mark the start of the hand. Let's put in one of those triangles, with a length of about 1/3 of the forearm. And by the way, if you enjoy this kind of tutorial, then use one of the fingers on your hand to hit the subscribe button, and give that notification bell some love as well. It would be very much appreciated. Now, mark the halfway point on the fat side of the triangle, and then draw an ellipse angling out of the triangle, intersecting that halfway point. Next, draw the 3 phalanges of the index finger. If you are drawing the hand at rest, then make sure to bend the sections inward, because fingers are never fully extended when relaxed. For bonus points, you can use another triangle for the fingertip. Now, draw the thumb, which comprises 2 sections. Some guidelines to keep in mind. The length of the main triangle should roughly be the same length as the index and approximately 1/3 the length of the forearm. Of course, you should absolutely feel free to play around with those proportions to fit the character and style you're going for. And there you go. You have a very solid starting point to draw the hand from this angle. Once you get the hang of it, you can play with the angles of the wrist and the phalanges to get real expressive. Have the arm go sideways, and stretch out the fingers to make the character reach for something. Keep the fingers straight and bend the wrist up to make him ward off some threat. Curl the fingers to convey anger and intensity. And that is it for this video. Remember, experiment, have fun, and above all else, keep drawing.